Imagine a world where you wake up every day with boundless energy, where your body supports your dreams instead of holding you back. The secret to this vitality lies deep within your cells, in the mitochondria. These tiny, often overlooked structures are the engines of life itself. Mitochondria are the reason you can think, move, heal, and even fight off disease. They create energy, pure, life-sustaining power in the form of ATP. But here's the truth that many don't realize. Modern life is waging a silent war on these microscopic power plants. From the glow of artificial lights to the processed food on our plates, and the constant stress of daily life, we're pushing our mitochondria to their limits. When they falter, our bodies lose their ability to thrive. Fatigue sets in. Brain fog clouds our thoughts. Chronic illnesses, like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cancer, begin to take hold. But here's the good news. You have the power to protect and rejuvenate your mitochondria, and in doing so, reclaim your energy, health, and life. Let's talk about the real impact of mitochondrial dysfunction, the diseases and struggles so many of us face. Fatigue. This isn't just feeling tired. It's the crushing weight of exhaustion that makes getting through the day feel impossible. Diabetes. When your mitochondria fail, your body struggles to process insulin, leading to type 2 diabetes. Cancer. Healthy mitochondria are like guardians, ensuring cells grow and divide correctly. When they fail, mutations occur, increasing your risk of cancer. Heart disease. Your heart cells are packed with mitochondria to fuel their constant effort. When they weaken, the heart falters, leading to clogged arteries and heart failure. Infertility. Sperm and egg cells rely on mitochondria to create life. Dysfunction here means struggles with conception and lost dreams for many. Brain health. The brain, your most energy-demanding organ, depends on thriving mitochondria. When they struggle, we see Alzheimer's, depression, and a loss of mental clarity. But here's the truth no one tells you. These aren't permanent conditions. They're not your destiny. By improving mitochondrial health, you can reverse or prevent these challenges. The solution isn't hidden in a pill or procedure, it's within you. So, how do you take charge of your mitochondrial health? The answer isn't complex or expensive. It's about returning to the basics of life itself. Light. The sun isn't just warmth, it's life. Morning sunlight syncs your body's rhythms, boosts energy, and regulates hormones like melatonin and cortisol. Step outside, soak in that golden light, and feel your mitochondria come alive. Water. Hydration isn't just about drinking enough, it's about quality. Clean, structured water nourishes your cells and keeps your mitochondria running efficiently. Magnetism. The Earth's magnetic field is a healing force. Ground yourself. Walk barefoot on grass or sand. This simple connection reduces inflammation and improves blood flow. By focusing on these natural forces, you're not just managing symptoms. You're addressing the root causes of disease and giving your body the tools to heal and thrive. It's not about fighting illness, it's about embracing life. Here's a revolutionary idea. Health isn't about adding more. It's not about more supplements, more medications, or more treatments. Real health is about removing the barriers that prevent your body from doing what it's designed to do: heal, balance, and thrive. When you care for your mitochondria, you're not just fixing one problem. You're creating a foundation for total wellness. You're building resilience. And that resilience is your superpower in a world that's constantly trying to pull you down. That's the power of your mitochondria, the engines of life. By reconnecting with nature's principles, you can take control of your health and unlock a future filled with energy, clarity, and purpose. This is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how light, water, and magnetism work together to supercharge your mitochondria. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join us on this journey to better health. Remember, your health is in your hands. Step outside, breathe deeply, and thank your mitochondria for the incredible work they do. See you in the next video.